In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how I made $738 per day by using these 3 apps. The best part about this is that this method is 100% free and available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can apply this strategy, so make sure to watch this video until the end. But before I start, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Now let's visit google.com and search for Offer Vault. After searching, click on this link right here, which will then redirect you to their page. One feature of this website is that you can get paid by getting emails. It pays you for the emails that you've collected. Now I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can start immediately. Here you're going to see all the potential earnings that you can get if you follow this method. I highly recommend that you watch and finish this video to maximize the strategy and earn big bucks. Now let us look at the trending searches right here. Are you ready for the first tip? Now you can use the trending searches list to know what to promote. For example, for now the best thing that you can promote are posts or promotions that mention gift cards. This is going to be a hit since gift cards are the top searched keywords according to the website. To proceed, search for gift card in the Offer Vault search bar. Upon searching, these are all the companies that offer gift cards. These are companies that lease out this job to promote their product, and you in return will get paid if someone gives out their email address, be it Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. The reason why these companies pay you money for the leads is because through the provided contact details, they will be able to market their products and run advertisements to these people. If you've been following this video from the beginning, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. To make things way easier and to summarize what we're going to do in Offer Vault, we are just going to look for companies here in Offer Vault that will provide links that we can advertise to platforms that have a lot of traffic. Now let's visit Pinterest.com. Pinterest is an online social media platform where people share everything about their lives. Now we're going to sign up to this platform in order for us to post pins of our gift card link. If you wish to sign up to this platform, just click on this button right here and then provide the necessary details for your registration to be successful. And then click on the red button below to finish your registration. After registering, locate this button where you can post or share the link to earn money. You just need to input a title and attach an image to your pin so that it will be clickable. And if you need a picture, we can just search for it in google.com. Now on Google, just click on images and search for the keywords. To prevent copyright issues, we need to filter the results of the Google image search. To do that, I want you to click on this tool and find usage rights from there and select Creative Commons licenses. Assuming you've chosen your image, all you have to do now is upload it on the pin you want to post on Pinterest, together with your unique link. Now let's round up everything that we're going to do. First and foremost, we are going to look for unique links in Offer Vault, like the one I demonstrated earlier, where I searched for gift card links. These links are going to the ones that will use money, so if a person clicks on it, you will make money directly. After securing your link, you just need to broadcast the link on your chosen software Pinterest. From there, we're just going to look for royalty-free images on Google and just upload it in Pinterest. Together with our preferred title, unique link, and short description of the pin after accomplishing these steps, you are now going to make money passively, I guarantee you that. You can also put in details regarding the link on your description, which will ensure to the clicking population that this is not a scam. With the method, you will potentially earn a decent amount of money. This method is legit effectively, so make sure to use it or improve it to earn big money online. After all, this is such a great opportunity for everyone to make money the easiest way possible. You can just upload your pin and just wait for the money to come into your account. That's simple. I encourage you to implement this method today and watch your bank account grow from zero to thousands of dollars without doing any hard work. Did you know I have a secret Google trick that makes me $5,000 for free? Want to learn all about it? Click here! Before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.